Hello everyone, it's Jamero coming to you on behalf of the Power Lead System and how it can help you grow your current business and allow you to increase leads and sales and earn commissions while also having a great platform and a business opportunity built into this marketing platform. It's going to allow you to make unlimited commissions and residual income off of growing your team and helping others. So I want to dive into it. Step one, you just want to get started. And the overview of the Power Lead System, it was founded in 1996. Priceless Possibilities, the technology company that created the Power Lead System, known as PLS, first trained sales organizations on their founder Michael Price's How to Get Unending Referrals program. Michael trained many companies, including Tony Robbins' company in 1998, and Michael received awards such as Trainer of the Year from the Multi-Level Marketing International Association in 2001. In 1999, Priceless Possibilities shifted its focus from live training to become one of the first companies to provide recruiting websites for the network marketing and direct sales industry. In 2009, we expanded our services to also include small traditional businesses. After working closely with Priceless Possibilities since 2005 to develop 4 custom recruiting systems for other companies, Neil Guest, founder and owner of the Power Lead System, launched the Power Lead System in October 2013. Power Lead System offers 6 products. The first product is called the Free Lead System, FLS, and is literally free for anyone forever. It helps customers to generate their own free leads so it is easy to give away, and it helps those giving it away to build a list of their own prospects as well as generate potentially substantial income whenever anyone upgrades from the free lead system. The second product is called Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning can either be marketed directly or is an upgrade from the free lead system. Lead Lightning is just $7 for life, and you keep $6 of the $7 for everyone who purchases Lead Lightning from you. As well, we have an automated upsell process where all Lead Lightning members can learn about and upgrade to our third product known as the Power Lead System, PLS. PLS is an all-in-one marketing system that helps customers increase sales of virtually any product as well as recruit more people to promote whatever they are promoting through the tools of unlimited web pages, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited blogs, and much more for just $30 per month. Plus, Power Lead System customers can also become a Power Lead System affiliate, which is optional, for $23.97 per month, which provides a very valuable program called Endless Free Leads. Mobile, which retails for $397, but is included for free to Power Lead System affiliates. Power Lead System affiliates also can earn commission from anyone becoming a Power Lead System customer. The fourth product is a traffic generation product called Free Ad Secrets, FAS. And FAS is a one-time $147 purchase price, paying out $100 commissions for your direct sales and another $25 commission on your second level sales. The fifth product is another great traffic generation product called Social Profit Academy, SPA. And SPA is a $497 one-time purchase, paying out $400 commissions for your direct sales and another $50 on your second level sales. The sixth product is Master Traffic Institute. Master Traffic Institute is another great traffic generation product comprised of many courses from top income earners and PLS Master Traffic Institute is a $1,497 one-time purchase, paying out $1,000 commission for your direct sales and another $200 on your second level. We also have a very unique compensation plan where affiliates, which is optional, of the Power Lead system can earn a very lucrative income. Affiliates can also leverage the efforts of others with a 50% matching bonus to generate a substantial passive residual income. There is actually also another product after the Master Traffic Institute, and that's the Lead Generation Academy, and that's one of the newest products added to the platform. The huge opportunity for you is that most businesses don't do an effective job of building a list, generating their own leads, following up with their list, or using sales funnels to more effectively sell products and recruit others. Many don't do any of these things at all. We have many ways to help businesses build a list, increase their exposure in their list, and more effectively sell their products and also recruit others to sell their products so they can increase sales substantially. The bottom line is that business owners, network marketers, affiliate marketers, any internet marketers, opportunity seekers, and small businesses, etc., not using the Power Lead system are losing sales. Therefore, many businesses will thank you for introducing them to the Power Lead system. They will use our system for a long time, providing you with ongoing passive income and often become an affiliate and refer others, thereby making you a lot more money. We don't know of any company that offers as much value as we do for such a low price. So the more people you connect with effectively and we train every week, the more money you can make. Therefore, we strongly invite you to take massive action, follow our suggestions in this roadmap to riches, and persist, and your success is virtually assured. So check out the Power Lead system. I'm gonna leave the links below for you in the description if you'd like to get started. It's a great program to help you grow your current primary business while also earning commissions with the Power Lead system. This is Jamero. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you later. Thank you.